In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive payments with Payoneer receiving accounts. If you work with international clients or use marketplaces, Payoneer lets you get paid as if you had local bank accounts in different currencies. We'll walk through signing in, requesting the accounts you need, finding your bank details, and sharing them so money lands directly in your Payoneer balance. Start by signing into your Payoneer account on the official website or mobile app. Make sure you're on a secure connection and keep your login information private. Once you're in, you're ready to set up the receiving details your clients will use. Next, head to the Get Paid menu and choose Receiving Accounts. This is where you can request accounts in the currencies you work with, such as USD, EUR, or GBP. Think of these as local account details created for you by Payoneer. They look just like a regular bank account to your client, but payments go to your Payoneer balance. Pick the currencies that match how your clients prefer to pay. If most of your work is billed in dollars, request a USD receiving account. If you have European clients, add a EUR account, and so on. Once requested, Payoneer provides the full set of bank details for each currency. You'll see items like an account number, a routing number or sort code, and a SWIFT or BIC code, depending on the country. Routing and sort codes are used for local transfers, while SWIFT or BIC is used for international wires. Each currency has its own unique details, so be sure you're looking at the right one before you share it. Now, share these details with your clients or add them to the payout settings of marketplaces like Upwork and Fiverr. When entering the information, copy it exactly as shown in your Payoneer account to avoid typos. Use the correct currency to help minimize conversion fees and processing delays. If a client asks what this is, you can explain that it's a local receiving account and they can pay you via a standard bank transfer on their side. After you've shared the details, your clients can send payments directly, and those funds will arrive in your Payoneer balance. Transfer times vary by method and country, but local transfers typically arrive within a few business days. If anything doesn't arrive as expected, recheck that the currency and account details match what you provided. And that's the process. Sign in, request the right receiving accounts, get your bank details, and share them so you can get paid smoothly and securely.